Is this you? Does your body have too much estrogen? Are you experiencing these symptoms? My name is Sheri. I am 54 years old and I have lost 23 pounds of menopause weight over a year ago and have kept it off, and I just want to help you. So when you have too much estrogen compared to progesterone in your body, you experience these symptoms that I'm going to be talking about. So know that this happens for many reasons and has a lot to do with your liver and your gut not doing their jobs to clear out the excess estrogen out of your body. So estrogen is a hormone that is stimulating, while progesterone is a calming counterpart. So when your body carries excess estrogen, or if you are lacking progesterone, this balance is thrown off with the extra estrogen concentration. And that leads to a whole lot of symptoms that leave you exhausted, bloated, and miserable. So how do you know if you have estrogen dominance? If you answer yes to two of the following symptoms: headaches or migraines, painful or swollen breasts, heavy periods, bloating or water retention, hot flashes, irritability or mood swings, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, weight gain around your belly or your hips, gallbladder issues, vaginal dryness, or restlessness, especially in your legs. You, my friend, are not going crazy. There is something going on inside your body. But now, what do you do is the next question. Comment, what do I do now? For the next steps, I will send them to you. And don't forget to hit that follow button and share this video with somebody else who would need to hear this. And let's get these follows up to the 1,000 follows so I can go live on here and share more content and information with you ladies.